Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You begin by confirming the metal head massager is safe and ready. Inspect attachments and charge level. Once done, attach the correct head and tighten. You test intensity on your forearm for 5-10 seconds to avoid surprises. Next, position yourself seated with good posture. Separate hair and remove accessories so the metal tips contact scalp, not jewelry. Make sure to start at the lowest setting and feel how the device vibrates against skin. This helps you control pressure and prevent irritation. Once you have the device on your scalp, apply slow, deliberate strokes, about 1-2 cm per second, so you feel each metal tip work. Move from front to crown to nape in a systematic pattern and repeat each zone approximately 3 times to ensure even coverage. Make sure to vary pressure. Light touch stimulates nerves, moderate increases circulation, but too much pulls hair. If you encounter resistance, lift slightly and change angle. This reduces tugging and keeps the experience comfortable and effective. You finish by gradually lowering intensity for the last 30 seconds, then switch the massager off and remove it gently. Make sure to wipe metal heads with an alcohol or disinfectant wipe, dry them fully, and store the unit in a cool, dry place. Check your scalp for redness. Mild warmth is normal. If you experience sharp pain, persistent buzzing, or hair pulling, stop immediately, re-inspect head alignment and try again at a lower setting, or consult the manual if problems persist.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.